Hello, my name is Christine and let me welcome you to the video presentation of 2 Incorrect Ideas About Being Abundant, written by Rishan B. And this video presentation is brought to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. Lately, due to the release of The Secret, folks have described rather a lot about being wealthy. Since it has been debated a lot, it's okay to assume that incorrect ideas will arise. Let's discuss these incorrect ideas in this particular piece. You would have an easier moment upon working on being rich when you just monitor the ideas talked about in this particular article. Yet you would truly have a difficult time working on being abundant when you observe the rules of these incorrect ideas. Speaking from my very own experience, you ought to have peace of mind so as to work on being rich easily. You may have a hard time if you're not in this particular state. If you refuse to give in, then you can be bewildered, thus blocking the flow of wealth into your life. The first incorrect idea: continuously be positive. Yet again, speaking from my very own experience, and my patrons will agree with me when I say that this isn't correct. You truly cannot control the specifics of what you think each and every minute of the day. This is purely not possible. Additionally, forcing yourself to control what you think will only cause dissatisfaction to yourself once you've thought of unpleasant things. This will become a terrible cycle once you resist more. You should not critique yourself for having unpleasant thoughts so as to stop the cycle. Just consider anything that enters your mind. You cannot merely consider hopeful thoughts in view of the truth that altering things as they truly are can be uncreative. You have the choice to take retreat throughout the day and imagine that you've already accomplished your objective. All the way through these instances, simply be constructive and truly feel that you have already attained what you've always wanted. Doing this recurrently might make you truly hopeful without trying hard or too hard. You would be stunned that you do not have to try as hard in view of the fact that this occurs naturally. The second incorrect idea: it is achievable to attract anything at any given time. This is kind of complicated. It is believed that persons might attract whatever thing they truly desire immediately. It is essential to truly believe that you can accomplish what you truly desire. Even though we try hard to believe that we may accomplish something, we unconsciously think otherwise. This is a consequence of the actuality we exist in. Try to not fight this battle. You ought to permit it to be part of life and handle it. To be able to attain something, it's a lot better to start with small goals. In doing so, you can develop the method of truly believing you can reach it. Then you can shoot or aim for your greater goals. This will truly make things a lot better. Therefore, set are the 2 incorrect ideas on being wealthy. The very next thing you ought to do right after reading this particular piece is to know the way you ought to fight these unfavorable ideas. And then you ought to let go of these unfavorable thoughts. I'm hoping that this particular article will allow you to achieve your goals because I believe that everybody is free to be rich. These are my resources. My website at http://attractingabundancehq.com. Watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life at http://video-reveals-step-by-step-by-step-attracting-anything-you-want. How to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff. Jedi Mind Power Skills are years of practice guaranteed at http://manifestitalltoday.com. Manifest anything. And lastly, Effortless Abundance Blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http://effortlessabundancesite.com. Thank you and goodbye.